Hello and welcome back to a new video here from Punta Cana, all you can see. Today I took the motorbike and I went up to Uvero Alto. That's the start. And I want to show you the different areas where we have hotels here a little bit from above, so that you have an idea when you come and book in which area you are and what's next to us. How is the ocean, because at Arena Gorda we have the reef in front of most of the hotels. Here in Uvero Alto we don't. Okay, so let's begin today by unpacking this little baby and get up in the air. Don't forget, if you're coming here to Punta Cana and you want to know more about it, check out the channel, check out the playlist, and see if you find something that you like to go to eat, that you like to do, excursions or videos like this, just information. Okay, Punta Cana, all you can see, every Friday a new video. Best is when you're coming to subscribe and don't miss anything. Every Friday we have a new video. So that's it, let's get started. Uvero Alto is further north of the airport. It's still not as busy as Bavaro, and you can see they still have a lot of nature behind them. See the mountains in the back, and before there you can see the rice fields and a lot of green areas, a lot of palm trees. They have built a lot of more hotels lately, but up where the Sirenis is to the Excellence, there is still a lot of nature. If you look down to the left, just close to the ocean, you see a little sandy road. That used to be, or still where are no hotels, the way to get along the beach from one point to the other. So that's drivable by motorbike, or you still see the locals with horses or donkeys. The ocean up here doesn't have a protective reef like in Bavaro, so the waves are coming crashing in from the Atlantic. Here is the Excellence Punta Cana. And you can see to the right and to the left and behind there is nothing. We are having a strong wind warning, so I have to come down. But not without showing you the beautiful ocean over there. And you might see no seagrass. I'm here at Uvero Alto at the beach. Over there is the Sirenis. I just passed by the Excellence. It's too windy to get Bessie up, and I'm not sure if I should wait or not. I checked the weather app before I came here because it is quite a drive for me. It says all good, go. That's what they do, the weather apps. They tell you something and you believe them. Every time I believe them, and then I find out that's sometimes true and sometimes not. It's still beautiful here. I drove a little bit further up the beach or down. I'm here at the beach of Breathless, and it's still too windy to go and fly and see it from above. Way too windy. So I finally found a less windier spot here at Gondola's Tropical Treasure, and I could lift Bessie up so we can have a little area look. The new hotel here, the Excellence El Finest, is open already, and I took a little shot from above as well, the beach and how the water is very rough today. That might be because of the hurricanes that passing far away, but still we're getting the waves. In this area of Uvero Alto you already find some Airbnbs, little houses and little hotels. I hope I will have the possibility to make a video there one day. And you see the Breathless. In the far you can see the cliff of Macau, and you can see as well here we do not have a reef, and the Atlantic Ocean comes until the beach, unstopped. And here now is the finest by excellence. It's just opened a couple of days or maybe a week or two ago, so it's brand new, and you are the first ones to see it from above. A little bit more over there is the Excellence El Carmen, and then behind that as well is the Sirenis resort, so you know in which direction we are looking. And again, Uvero Alto is the less busier areas, less hotels. It's not as busy as Arena Gorda, Bavaro, where we have hotel next to hotel. Here we still have gaps with natural life. This is the Airbnb that's on top of Gondola Souvenir Shop, directly at the beach, and a little extra for Jackie, for all the tropical treasure fans that are out there. Silke, everybody that comes here for years and is friends with Gondola. She just renovated. Welcome back here to Paradise. Another day and still the same wind. When I took out the motorbike to drive down to Cabeza de Toro today, it wasn't so windy, so I was like, oh cool, I can make a good video with Bessie, but I just went up like for 2 minutes. I'm here at the beach next to the marina, which I like very much because you have all the boats here, and it still got the fisher village flair a little bit. So I flew up a little bit and I show you the results. Have a look. The beach is clean, but the water is still a little brown. Looking towards the Be Life collection Punta Cana, and behind the Be Life there is the Dreams Palm Beach and Natura Park. Natura Park is still closed, and they told me it's gonna be probably another year until they open back. They wanna renovate. Again, a strong wind warning. The whole phone was, the app was vibrating and I had to come down. But I have another little video for you from the Catalonia. This is just next to the Catalonia. If you're at the Catalonia and you face the ocean and you walk to your right, this is where you come to. And as well here you can see one of the old roads. You could drive there with your car or with your motorbike. In Cabeza de Toro they have closed these roads, so they're only accessible, or the beach is only accessible when you walk. You would be surprised how many people actually walk here. A lot of tourists venture out a little bit. It's really quiet and it's nice to be just out in the nature. And of course, everybody that's doing some jogging at home, they like to do it here too. And it's a perfect place. The reef in Cabeza de Toro is further out. That's why this area usually has a really, really calm beach. And so this is where you see the Catalonia resort. First here, this is Catalonia Royal Bavaro, and then just next to it, on the same property, is the Catalonia Bavaro. Good morning from a rainy Punta Cana. I realized that it's not so windy in the morning, so I got up early and I already went to Plaza San Juan and to behind the Barcelo and the Lopesan, and I'm here now next to the Occidental Punta Cana, and I'm hoping that the wind is not picking up and that I can go up just a little bit. It's just raining. It's not really raining, but It's a little bit drizzling, so I have to wait, but I think it's stopping and I can start the video and you can see it now. Downtown Punta Cana, between Cabeza de Toro and the Barcelo resort. Hard Rock Cafe, Coco Bongo. Here is where the action happens. In the back you can see the autopista that leads you to Bavaro. This plaza here is the business center, downtown, the one with the blue, and then just a little bit to the right is where Jumbo is. Here's the supermarket. You see we still have lots of green here in Bavaro, and everything is a little bit spread out. Over here we have IKEA and the Polar supermarket at the San Juan shopping center. This is a little new hotel that just opened. It's not at the beach, probably more for business people. Here we're turning around. You see the laguna, that's the lagoon of Bavaro. And behind there is Cabeza de Toro. Okay? Going a little bit up. You see a lot of construction is happening here. And here is the highway that goes to most of the hotels. It goes to Uvero Alto and to Bavaro. Time to land and move on to the next place. Here we are. And that was luck that nobody hit me. Here you see the Lopesan at Bavaro Beach. And over here, you don't see it, but it's there. It's the Barcelo resort. I like it very much that it's not built higher than the palm trees. As you can see, there's a huge resort in this direction, but you don't see it. And this is really just beautiful. You can also see the lagoon of Bavaro over here. And behind there again is Cabeza de Toro. In this direction, we're looking towards the shopping centers that we just visited. And this area here is called Villas Bavaro. It's full of little houses and little apartments. A lot of Airbnbs, so check it out. Just next to the Lopesan is Jellyfish. It's very popular for weddings, and it's a restaurant directly at the beach. Then we have the Melia resort, and next to the Melia is now Larimar, and as well the Dreams Royal Beach. Dreams Royal Beach is the new name of it. And you can see the pirate ship there in the ocean. That's where Los Corrales is with Huracan Cafe. And then if you walk further down, the Playa Turquesa and the Impressive. Here again, Lopesan. Going early in the morning really paid off. So this is another morning, and this is Occidental Punta Cana. Now we're looking at the Palladium resort. As you can see as well, they're pretty low buildings and the palm trees are all higher. In the bay over there, again, the Barcelo, and behind the bay is Cabeza de Toro, just to have an orientation. The Grand Palladium Resort, the Occidental Punta Cana, and the Bavaro Princess Deluxe are here very close to the Plaza Punta Cana. You maybe remember the videos that we already took here. There is a corner bar, and then next to it is Drink Point, and then we have Delicias de Bavaro for the hungry people. If you're looking down this road, this is the one that leads to Friusa, the Bomba de Gas, the gas station at Friusa. On the way is Plaza Brisas, where you can change money, or as well the hospital Centro Médico Punta Cana. This is here down this road. Here is an area that's called White Sands, apartments built around the golf course. We come a little bit closer just in a bit. These gray roofs here with the 3 white stripes, this is the lobby from Bavaro Princess Deluxe. Just next to the Bavaro Princess is the Paradisus Punta Cana. It's still closed. Then you have the sister resorts, the Caribe Club and the Tropical Princess, followed by Punta Cana Princess, the adults only. Next to the Punta Cana Princess is Cayena Club and Vicarena Blanca at the little corner. I don't know if you can see it there. Flying a little bit closer to the Princess resorts, this below us here is Punta Cana Princess. Still closed, it's still under renovation. And next to it is Cayena Club and Vicarena Blanca. Vicarena is the white building that you see there, and next to Vicarena is ocean blue and sands. And the green area that you see, that's where the little flea market used to be, and on the other side of it would be, or is, Iberostar Resort. Caribe Club and Tropical Princess, freshly renovated. They just opened a couple of days ago. Have a nice green area with a couple of mangroves still where you can walk through. It's all new, just next to the Punta Cana Princess. If you have a rental or an Airbnb here in White Sands, the little street in the middle of the resorts, Punta Cana Princess and the Caribe Club, this is how people from White Sands can go to the beach. Thanks everybody for watching until here. As you can see, I made each and every mistake that my YouTube tutorial about flying a drone said not to do. But you are still here, so thanks a lot for watching, and I see you next Friday here at Punta Cana, all you can see.